The single Ratamacue. Yo, this is my favorite rudiment. I love this rudiment. Why? It's just fun to play and it sounds really cool. You can apply this to drum set in many different ways. So this one's important. Pay attention. Now, why do they call it a Ratamacue? Because that's the way it sounds. It's an onomatopoeia rudiment, all right? Ratamacue, a Ratamacue, a Ratamacue. All right, so it's a diddle or drag, triplet, then an accent. Left, left, right, left, right, left. Right, right, left, right, left, right. Left, left, right, left, right, left. Left, left, right, left, left, right. A Ratamacue, a Ratamacue, a Ratamacue. All right, but let's go slow now. We're going to break it down, stay low, and play it with me. Nice and slow. Here we go. We're going to move the accent around. I'm going to accent all the different parts of the Ratamacue. Now you can experiment on your own. You might like some of them you might not like, but just figure it out, be creative. I'm also going to start with the accent or the eighth note on the downbeat. Here we go. The single Ratamacue. Pretty cool rudiment.